Top 5 impressive health benefits of eucalyptus. Some of the best health benefits of eucalyptus includes its ability to boost the respiration health, strengthen the immune system, protect skin health, ease tension and anxiety, lower blood pressure, eliminate inflammation, and fight against bacterial infection. Eucalyptus actually refers to a large genus of flowering trees that has over 700 different species, most of which are located in Australia and New Zealand, although some of the more widespread species can be found throughout the Southeast Asia.
Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.
Respiratory health. Eucalyptus leaves and oils have been used for generations as a cure-all for respiratory issues, particularly in removing the catarrh from respiratory tracts. The active ingredients in eucalyptus leaves acts as expectorants, helping to remove excess phlegm and mucus from the sinus and respiratory tracts, eliminating the natural environment for bacteria and other pathogens to multiply and spread. Immune system booster. The powerful effects of eucalyptus teas are widely studied, and aside from its direct impact on respiratory systems, eucalyptus is recommended to protect the body from a wide variety of bacterial infections, including E. coli and Candida albicans, the latter of which can cause yeast infections. If your immune system is compromised by another illness or as a result of an injury or a fatigue, eucalyptus tea can act as a natural booster for your immunity. Anxiety and stress. When people begin to feel the pressure of modern world mounting, so many people turn to pharmaceutical medicines, but there are a wide range of other natural remedies, including eucalyptus. The natural sedative and soothing effects of eucalyptus can be employed for many reasons, but its tea is specifically recommended for those suffering from chronic stress. Stress hormones in the body can wreak havoc on your metabolism and general health. So, reducing those potentially dangerous stress hormones and easing mental tension can be a wonderful side effect of a well-brewed cup of eucalyptus tea. Skin health. The natural antibacterial properties of eucalyptus make it ideal for protecting the skin health as well. Rubbing its leaf on the skin can work as quick fix, but drinking eucalyptus tea or utilizing eucalyptus oil or irritated or affected skin works much faster and more efficiently. Diabetes management and prevention. Although the exact chemical pathway is unknown, research has shown that brewing the eucalyptus leaf into a tea can be an effective preventive measure or treatment for diabetes. Whether you have already developed the condition or are actively establishing a lifestyle to prevent the onset of diabetes, drinking 1 or 2 cups of eucalyptus tea every day can be a great strategy.